Hey, it's David Lee, and I sound really bad because I'm sick, but I am doing an update on what I'm going to be posting. So I am probably gonna do a video on what I do in the gym, and then I am gonna help my friend make a movie. So that's gonna be really cool. Uh, we are gonna do it way better than me and him have done before, because our last one was called Raid. It was horrible. We were like younger. There was like legit like no dialogue. It was awful, but yeah. So that's what we're gonna do, and uh, just some more updates. Like I don't know. Oh So I had a foreign exchange student from China for a while, but he's gone forever now. I'm in his room right now because I like his bed way better than mine. But we're getting another one, and it was like one of his friends. His name was Chen. He's super funny and really cool. I'll try to make a video with him maybe. So that'll be great. And that was pretty much my update. See you guys.